Cajun Kevin here with Miracle Detail. This is a 1968 Honda Sports Cub 65cc that a customer brought. Actually, he bought it. We live here in Louisiana. He bought it in Connecticut and needed to be restored. So he brought it to us, and that's what we did. The paint, had lost all the shine. It just was sitting there. It only has 5,900 miles on it. But everything, like I said, the paint didn't have any more shine to it. I polished it by hand. Everything was by hand. I didn't want to put any type of machine on it because of its age. I love restoring these old bikes. Like the rims had rust on it. We had to remove that. The plastic. This is a plastic fender, so I couldn't get the shine I wanted, but it's like 1,000% better. We polished the chrome here. Clean and condition the seat. The motor was just nasty looking, This here, valve covers was yellow, so we had to do a lot of polishing there. Cute little bike. I put it here in the office. Customers come and pick it up. This entire exhaust, the cover, the heat shield, was nothing but rust. That was all removed. He didn't see it yet. Can't wait until he does. Look at that. That paint looks new now. Took a lot of rubbing. So if you have something that you want us to restore, give us a call. Look us up. Look us up on Facebook, Miracle Detailing. He bought 22 bikes. I think this is the 4th one that we've done. And this is my favorite one so far. Just because of the way it came out. It's been a while since I did everything by hand. Like I said, I was scared to do any damage to the paint. First thing I did was I put some Meguiar's number 7 polish on it and just let the paint absorb the polish before I started working it. That's important if you're working on old paint. Seat came out good. This year is white. It was black and yellow. It was just sat up for a long time. It's very different. Thanks for watching. Cajun Kevin out.